two niggas in a place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap.
Yo, I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, today is the day. My setup is here. You feel me? We finna set this thing up. We finna get right. God. Alright, y'all. So, got the directions right here. You feel me? We finna see what they talking about. Well, we're gonna try to figure this out without the direction, but why? Why do that? You got directions right here telling you what to do step by step. Just use it. You feel me? Alright, so boom. Right drawer, left drawer. We want this, we need a left drawer, see, cause see, we putting it on this corner, so yeah, we need that left drawer. Drawers on the left. Okay, boom. So, quick little update, y'all. It's coming. You feel me? We getting it right. Yo. Yeah, we here. Shit has came together. So good. So good. We got this bad baby right here. Ooh. Yeah. Gonna get ready to go ahead and set this up. Get this right.
Bitches in my old phone. I should call but and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC.